I'm going to show you how to align an item to a selection or the artboard. So if you have your items on a page looking not aligned, and you want to align this element onto this box, all you have to do is head up to this tool at the top and then click on it and make sure this is ticked, align to selection. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to select your item and hold down your shift key and select the other graphic. And then I want you to click the horizontal align center to center it, and then you want to vertical align center. Okay, and once you've got this aligned, I want you to group it by Control G or Command G, and then select this object, hold on your shift key and select this object, and I want you to click this vertical align bottom, and I want you to select this object against this object so it's aligning to this object. Okay, so select this, hold on your shift key and select this top object. Okay, I want to show you what I'm selecting, and then horizontal align left. And this is how you align your object within a selection. Okay, now I want to zoom out. This white area here is your artboard. Okay, now as you can see, this whole object is out from the artboard, and I want to align it in the center within the artboard. And to do that, I'm just going to click the object and make sure the align to artboard is ticked. Okay, and then just hit the horizontal align center. And now this object is centered within the artboard. And that is how you do it.